So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Price Fister cartridge. It's original equipment from Price Fister. Here's the packaging right here. So it's the 974-042 cartridge. We only use original equipment. And so take a little video. What we had to do first, we quoted you a price over the phone. We didn't do any work yet before we pulled this apart. And let me just show you what we had here. This fiberglass stall. They put a valve in here, and you can see the way that the cartridge comes out. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and that they come out, and this cartridge comes out of there. Your old one's sitting right here in pieces. It's a train wreck. That's the new one. So right now it's off in the off position, and we haven't put your trim back on yet. Unfortunately, what they did is this is the piece that we had to drill out of your tub. They put it on there. What they did is they drilled a hole just big enough for this portion to fit through, which means you can't get to the screws back there. With that in place, at least you can maybe get to 1 screw, but not the other 3. Anyway, so we had to take a hole saw, little guy right here, and drill that out. No big deal. I mean, we know how to drill tubs and whatnot, but so there's a little bit extra labor. We'll bill you for that, and if you feel like you'd like to stick with the $225 price we quoted you, then that's fine. But we're going to bill you another $25 for having to get the tools out and get the bit out and drill a nice clean hole for you. So now moving forward, whenever we come out or whenever another plumber comes out or a handyman, whoever you have working on this now, they can actually get this back out of here. So nice clean hole. And but we did need to document that to let you know that we did have to open it up a little bit to get that cartridge replaced. So what we're going to do now, clean up a little bit. Get out of the tub, go ahead and turn it on, run the hot water, make sure it's working right, and outside of that, this installation is done.